In this video, I will be showing you how to use Canva Magic Grab. Let's get started. I'll begin by selecting a flyer template to open up a new blank design. Once the canvas is ready, I'll head over to the Elements tab and select the Photos category. I'm going to scroll through the options until I find a photo I like, such as this one with a notebook and a pen. After adding it to the page, I'll click Edit Image at the top and select Magic Grab from the Magic Studio menu. For the first step, I'll use the click tool and simply click on the pen. Once it's highlighted, I'll click Grab. Now the pen is a completely separate element that I can move around the canvas freely. Next, I'll show you a more advanced way to use this tool. I'll go back into the Magic Grab settings, but this time I'll select the Brush tool. I'm going to carefully paint over the spiral binding of the notebook. Then click the Auto Detect button. When I'm finished highlighting, I'll click Grab. As you can see, the spiral binding is now its own independent object, detached from the notebook. This is a great secret trick for isolating specific parts of an image to create unique layouts.